Assalamualaikum and good morning to Miss Dana. I'm Siti Aisyah binti Asmizan and my partner is
Nur Syafiqah Idayu binti Saiful Nizam.
The title of our speech is Plastic Pollution. As we all know, the issue of plastic is every nowadays. People are using it only just for their comfort. However, no one realizes how it's harming our planet. We need to become aware of the consequences so that we can stop plastic pollution. Kids should be taught from their childhood to avoid using plastic. Similarly, adults must check each other on the same. In addition, the government must take stringent measures to stop plastic pollution before it gets too late. Syafiqah?
Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles. For example, plastic bottles, bags and microbeads in the Earth's environment that adversely affect wildlife habitat and humans. Plastic actually act as pollutants are categorized into micro-meso or micro debris based on size. Plastic are inexpensive and durable, and as a result, levels of plastic production by humans are high. However, the chemical structure of most plastic render them resistant to many natural processes or degradation, and as a result, they are slow to degrade. Together, these two factors have to lead to a high prominence of plastic pollution in the environment.
Plastic pollution can affect land, waterways and ocean. It is estimated that 1 to 8.8 million tons of plastic waste enters the ocean from coastal communities each year. Living organisms, particularly marine animals, can be harmed either by mechanical effects such as entanglement in plastic objects, problems related to ingestion of plastic waste, or through exposure to chemicals within plastic that interfere with the physiology. Effects on humans include disruption of various hormone mechanisms.
There are 6 recommendations for plastic pollution. First, shop-friendly. Plastic bags were once a modern convenience but can be efficiently replaced by reusable bags, many of which fold up completely to be portable. Just think about how many bags you typically carry out of a grocery store and multiply that by the number of times you visit the grocery shop. That's a lot of plastic. Carry a bag and always use a bag such as possible if you have them. Second, get rid of bottled water. People are meant to drink lots of water each day, and plastic water bottles have become a great way to stay hydrated throughout the day. However, most of these are only recommended for single use, and that means that every time someone finishes a bottle, it goes into the trash. As the plastic bottles are typically made from polyethylene terephthalate that it takes over 400 years to decompose naturally. Many companies now sell reusable water bottles as a substitute. Reducing water waste and exposure to leaking bottles, the best thing you can do is carry a reusable metal bottles in your bag. Third, forget to go containers. You will be surprised to know how much plastic involved in the making and packaging of food containers. Think of the coffee shop drink cup is paper. It's likely linked with plastic for insulation. Pour a cup of coffee on some cardboard and see what's happened. Plastic food containers, lids and utensils are all easily replaced by reusable containers, which it will cut down significantly on even a single missed waste. Isha?
Number 4 is recycle everything. Try and select items that come in non-plastic recycle and recyclable packing. To do your best to handle items that can be reused properly. Check everything before you put it in trash, as more and more items are able to be recycled this day. Remember that because plastic does break down easily, recycling plastic means that it is still plastic, just being used for a different purpose. Therefore, you are not actually reducing plastic amount or exposure, even in the recycling process. Fifth, try without disposable plastic. We use around 90% of the plastic items only once in our daily life, and then chuck such as garbage bag, plastic wrap, disposable cutlery, straw, and coffee cup. It only takes a few times of bringing your own reusable bags to the store, silverware, to the office, or carry a travel mug and a metal reusable drinking bottle to make it a habit. Making your own meals is not only healthier, but it also does not involve take-out container or doggy bags. When you order
plastic container.